Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS by BRV. My name is Umid and today we are going to start the episode 1 of the VIP program. Now I would like to give the overview of this program. It includes description of some vocabularies, idioms and phrases, VIP. I will discuss with you any 5 of these with relevant descriptions. For those who want description on cue cards, go to the playlist of my channel and find out this icon. This will surely be useful to you in preparing for speaking and especially for writing. I have also prepared in the same way and got the desired coveted bands, so don't forget to watch till the end. But before that, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos so that it encourages me to make more such videos. Life is like an ice cream, eat it before it melts. Life is like an ice cream, eat it before it melts. In this sentence, life is compared with an ice cream. Now just as if we don't eat the ice cream on time, it will melt and we will not be able to enjoy it to the fullest. In the same way, in our life, we will always wait for the exact time to come, for the perfect opportunity to come in order to make a good forward movement in our life. But during this waiting period, we will not be able to enjoy our life fruitfully. So life is full of opportunities. Grab any of it. You will surely progress. Don't wait for the perfect moment and simultaneously enjoy your life. Don't wait for the exact time to come. Enjoy your life, enjoy your ice cream. Both are melting. Now, there is an example. Now, there is an essay topic. Some people think planning future is a waste of time and people should focus on the present. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now, for those who are in agreement of this topic, can write life is like an ice cream, eat it before it melts instead of planning future. Now make headway, make a good headway. The meaning of this particular idiom is to move forward or to make progress. This idiom is very much useful during writing. I am doing external studies to make a good headway in my professional life. I wait for the perfect opportunity to come to make a good headway in life. I wait for the perfect opportunity to come to make a good progress in my life. So wherever you are using the word to make progress, to move forward, you can use make a good headway or make headway. Number 3, a bad hair day. Now a bad hair day means that a day when everything seems to be going wrong. A bad hair day means a day when everything seems to be going wrong. Now this particular can be used in this way. Ever since the accident, it seems like every day is a bad hair day. Since there was accident, each day is a bad hair day. I am having a bad hair day today, so I am very much frustrated and annoyed. Actually, I am having a bad hair today. I am very much frustrated and annoyed. Number 4, call the tune or call the shots. Now, the meaning of this particular line is take an initiative in deciding how something must be done. The meaning of call the tune is to take an important decision. Now, recently there was a lockdown period in India, so you can use this particular line. Our Honorable Prime Minister called the tune about complete lockdown during COVID-19 pandemic. So it was mandatory for the Prime Minister. So he called that tune. He took this important decision to implement lockdown for the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 5, bibliophile. Now bibliophile is a person who has great love for books. They are known as bookworms. So those persons who have a good habit of reading or they love books are known as bibliophile or bookworm. Those who like reading books are also known as bibliophile. So my friend Vijendra is a bibliophile. My father is a bookworm. I hope so friend you like this video. Please do hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Goodbye. Sayonara.